Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talkfinity English, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Mia.
Hi, Mia. It's really nice to be here today. How are you?
I'm great, Henry. Thanks. How are you?
I'm a little hungry, Mia.
Hungry already?
Yes, I'm thinking about food. A lot of food. A big burger, some fries, a big soda. Good.
Wow, Henry, that sounds tasty. You're making me hungry too.
Sorry, but this is a good topic for our show today.
Oh, that's a perfect idea. Let's talk about food. Let's talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, a restaurant. Going out to eat and speaking English. It can be easy and fun.
Exactly. It's a great chance to practice English. So, today we will talk about using English at a restaurant.
That's a wonderful topic. But first, everyone, please remember to sign up for our channel, Talkfinity English.
Yes, and press like on this video if you are hungry, like Henry. Also, share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Thank you, everyone. So, Mia, a restaurant. I walk in the door. What do I do? What do I say?
Good question. You open the door, go inside, and see a person. This person is the host or the waiter. You smile and say, hello, or hi.
Hello. Easy. I can do that.
Yes, you can. Then you need a table. So you can say, a table for two, please.
Ah, a table for two, please, if it's just you and me.
That's right. Or a table for three, please, if you have another friend.
So, a table for, and then the number of people.
Correct. Simple. A table for one, please, if you are alone.
Okay. Hello. A table for one, please. And the waiter says,
The waiter will smile and say, this way, please. Or, follow me, please.
and I walk with the waiter to my table.
Yes. You sit down. What is the first thing you want, Henry?
The food.
Close. Before the food, you need the menu.
Ah, yes. The menu to see the food and choose what to eat.
Right. The waiter might give you the menu, or you can ask for it.
How do I ask for the menu in English?
You can say, may I have the menu, please?
May I have the menu, please? That is very polite.
Yes, please is a great word to use in a restaurant. It's very kind.
Okay, I have the menu. I open it. I see words, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Wow, you read fast, Henry. Yes, starters are the small foods you eat first, like soup or a small salad.
Soup. I like soup. Tomato soup is nice.
Me too. So you check the starters, then you look at the main courses.
The main course is the big meal, right? The most important dish.
Yes, exactly. Like chicken, fish, pasta, or your hamburger.
Hamburger.
And what is a dessert?
Dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end, like cake, ice cream, or fruit.
I love dessert. Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Ooh, chocolate cake is a great choice. And finally, drinks.
Drinks are things like water, juice, or soda.
Perfect. You know all the words, Mia.
I am learning. So the waiter comes to my table. He has a small notepad. He smiles. What does he say?
He will probably ask, are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order? And I can say, yes, I am.
Yes. Or you can say, yes, please. Or if you need more time, you can say, just a minute, please.
That's very helpful. Just a minute, please. Okay, but I am hungry. I am ready. So I say, yes, I am.
Great. Now it's time to tell them your food order. This is the fun part.
How do I say it? Do I say, I want a hamburger?
I want is fine, but a nicer way is I would like or I'll have.
I would like.
Ah, that sounds good. So I can say, I would like the hamburger, please.
Is perfect. The waiter will understand that easily.
Okay, I would like the hamburger. What else can I say? You said I'll have.
Yes, I'll have. It is a short way to say I will have. You can say, I'll have the hamburger, please.
I'll have the hamburger. It sounds very natural. I like it.
So let's practice. I am the waiter with a nice voice. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Okay, tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink?
Ah, the drink. I forgot. What do I say?
Same thing. I would like or I'll have.
Okay. I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 hamburger, and 1 soda.
The waiter might say your order back to check and make sure it is correct.
Yes, exactly. And you can simply say, yes, that's right. Thank you.
Thank you. Another good polite word. Always use it. So you order your food, then you wait, you can talk with your friend, and then the food arrives. The best moment.
It is. The waiter brings the food and says, enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
And what do I say?
You say thank you.
Okay, so the food is on my table. My hamburger looks so good.
And my salad looks fresh and delicious. During the meal, maybe the waiter comes back.
Yes, the waiter might ask, is everything okay?
And if it is good, I can say,
You can say, yes, it's delicious. Or, yes, everything is great. Thank you.
Delicious. That's a nice word. Delicious.
Yes, it means very, very good, like your hamburger.
My hamburger is delicious. What if I need something, like more water?
Ah, good question. You try to look at the waiter. When they come near, you can say, excuse me.
Excuse me, to get their attention, right? And then you say, can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more water, please? Or, can I have some more bread, please?
Yes. Or another soda. Can I have another soda, please?
This is very useful. It's all very simple and polite.
It is. The important words are please and thank you.
Okay, I finished my tasty hamburger. I am very full and happy.
Me too. My salad was great. But what about dessert?
Oh, dessert! How could I forget the chocolate cake? The waiter might come and take your empty plates. He might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
And I say, yes, please, very fast.
So, you look at the dessert menu, you see the chocolate cake, and when the waiter returns, you say,
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
perfect! You are an expert, Henry.
It is easy when you explain it, Mia. So I eat my wonderful cake. It is delicious. Now I am very, very full.
The meal is done. It was great. Now it's time to pay.
Ah, the bill. The money part.
Yes.
So again, you get the waiter's attention. Excuse me.
Excuse me. And then,
You can say, can I have the bill, please? Or the check, please.
bill or check. They mean the same thing.
Yes. In the UK, people say bill more. In the US, people say check more. But everyone understands both.
Okay. So, the bill, please, is fine.
It's perfect. The waiter will bring a small piece of paper with the total cost.
And I can pay with cash or with a credit card.
That's right. You can say, do you take credit cards? If you are not sure.
Good advice. And when I give the money or the card, I can say, here you are.
Here you are. Yes, very natural. They take your payment and bring it back.
And that's all. I am ready to leave.
Yes, you can stand up and as you leave, you can smile at the waiter and say, "Thank you. Goodbye."
That's a nice way to finish. Thank you. Goodbye.
It really is. It shows you like the food and the service.
So let's do a very quick practice. A role play. You are the waiter. I am the customer from start to finish.
Great idea. I love roleplay. Okay. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello. A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. May I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken with vegetables, please.
An excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. One chicken with vegetables and one water. I'll be right back with your drink.
Thank you.
Wow, Mia, you are doing so well.
This is fun. It makes it easy to remember.
It does. It shows the whole conversation from saying hello to ordering to everything after.
The food arrives.
Here is your chicken and your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks great.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Wonderful. Tell me if you need anything. So you finish your food?
Yes, I am finished. It was so good. Now I need to pay. Excuse me.
Yes, sir?
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course, right away. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you, sir. I'll be right back.
Thank you for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day. Wow, that was the entire thing. It seems so simple now.
It is simple. The phrases are short and easy to remember. A table for, can I have, I would like, and the bill, please.
And always please and thank you.
Always. Being polite is key. It makes everyone feel happy.
I feel more sure of myself now. I think I can go to a restaurant and order in English.
I know you can, Henry, and everyone listening can too. Just start simply. Order something you know, like fish and chips or a cheese pizza.
That's a good idea. Don't choose something with a very long, hard name at first. Right. Keep it simple and smile. A smile is understood in every language.
A smile and please. That's my new plan.
It's a perfect plan. It will work every time. What about you, Mia? What is your favorite food to order when you eat out?
Ooh, I love pasta. Any type of pasta. Pasta with tomato sauce is my favorite. It's simple and always tasty. A classic choice. Very nice.
What about you, Henrietta, besides a hamburger?
I do like other food. I really like pizza. A big pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
Pizza is a fantastic choice. Now I'm thinking about pizza.
See, we always end up hungry on this podcast.
It's true, but I hope our talk today was helpful for everyone listening.
I hope so too. Remember, practicing is important. You can even practice at home with a friend or family member.
Yes, one person is the waiter and one person is the customer, just like we did. It really helps.
It does. And don't be scared to make mistakes. It's okay. People are usually very friendly and will help you.
That's the most important advice, Mia. Just try. People will be glad that you are speaking their language.
Exactly. So I think that's a lot of great information for one show.
I agree. It was a delicious show.
It was. Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel more ready to go to a restaurant and order in English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Talkfinity English, so you don't miss our next shows.
And please share the show with anyone who is learning English. It's a great way to help them too. And for today's comment, please tell us what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant.
Ooh, yes, I want to read the comments. Tell us your favorite food. Is it pizza, pasta, a hamburger? Let us know.
We look forward to reading your answers. Thank you again for joining us. Until next time, keep practicing.
And keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone. Bye for now.